Good morning, my people. I went to bed early last night, so I got up early today. I just have a couple things I want to show. Well, I cleaned up my nail room. Okay. Then I got my lamp. Oh my God. I am so excited. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. We have a look. Come on. With sensor activated. The little finger things where you put your fingers at. Oh my God. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. I just love it. Oh, I'm going to turn the light on. I disinfect my room today. Let me turn this light on. Okay. And I got to show one more thing. Hold up. Okay. I had to get the Kiera Sky new pink chargeable. I hate cords, but look what I got. Okay, I was trying to find something that had the cords with, so this box was too pretty, and the box the charger came in, so I put this right here for decoration to cover the cords. But anyway, I bought their whole collection of the gel polish. There's 3 polishes in one. It's the regular color, ombre, and it glows in the dark. Yeah, so if you don't want the acrylic glow in the dark, you could get the gel polish. I brought all of them. That's the collection. And I just put my Kiera Sky little acrylic things and everything is Kiera Sky. And I camouflage the cords. Okay. Look at it. I know. Oh, I bought a little thing, some little beads to put in here for my acrylic brushes that I use. They're always flying everywhere. I cleaned all my, disinfected my nail beds. And look, I got a new dust collector. I have the Valentino, but it's so huge. So hopefully that will work. I don't know. That's my old OBI lamp. It still works. But look at my collection of my acrylics. All down here is the color blend. All down here. These are the glitters on top. And then up under there is the mood changing acrylics. All on this side is the glow in the dark. And these are just regular colors and stuff right here. Under here are the mood effect, mood changing. These are the color blend. Now I love my glam and glitz, but I did, when I bought my lamp, I bought an OPI all black. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out or whatever. I'll figure that out. If I don't like it, oh well, I use it for something. And I just love it. Look at that decoration. I have my cords. That's so cute. That's the box it came in. I filled up my candy thing. I wiped down all my stuff. Okay. You ain't gotta stop at a minute. And then I got these actually are the colors of the polishes, gel polishes I just bought. Like it'll show you the colors it changed to, and it glows in the dark. You put it up under the lamp, and it glow at night. Yes, I got that a couple months ago, like my little decoration, or I could take pictures with and whatnot. So, yes, I'm about to get busy. Then the last thing I'm going to show. This took hours, okay? Oh, this is just some like little iridescent stuff I brought. You know, I started doing my nail sample things with the acrylic, but I did a couple and I got bad, but I'm more than a couple. Now this is what took hours. When my clients come and they tell me they want stones or whatever it is, a lot of stuff you can put on your nails, I always have to pull them out, the little things that come in. So I'm pulling out tons of them. So what I did, I went and bought the containers so I don't have to do that. So a lot of them, you know, I color coordinate. Yes, I have to color coordinate. Ooh, excuse me. And I don't know, okay, y'all see these right here? Those are, I want to do a set with the glass nails with the clear acrylic, crystal clear acrylic, and put the little time things in there, you know, and then escapulated with the clear acrylic. That's gonna be so pretty, so pretty. So I was up spending some time organizing everything. That's gonna be the last one, for real, I hope. So yes, I just went to the dollar store, got those little bead things so my brushes could stop moving. I cleaned up everything. I am so in love with this lamp. Let me tell you, I don't even want it touching my table, okay? I don't want to touch my table. You know, on my side, I just got a little candy in here, you know, little stuff going on up in there. I cleaned everything, disinfected everything. Now, I might be a little dust in the inside a little bit from the dust all around. I cleaned as much as I could, okay? Then, that's in there. I got stuff in here. Then this one is just all extra acrylic and stuff in here that I don't use. I'm actually having a giveaway to new up-and-coming nail techs. I got a whole bunch of stuff on two people to get stuff away. Okay, my people. I just wanted you guys to see this a little bit. Okay. When I tell you I got OCD, I got OCD. I have to like literally coordinate everything. These are the ones I was saying is like little clocks. I want to do like a theme with the clear, the glass nails. That would be so gorgeous. So I color coordinated all of my stones. I even have, you see like the blue ones. I put the blue ones in there. These are like the birthstone ones, you know. These are like the gold ones. Those, I have, like every color. Well, not every color, almost every color. Almost every color. And, yeah, I just coordinate everything. I just do. Okay, this is the last one for real that I'm going to show. You see those little bows? They have pearls on them. So I color coordinated or coordinated the stuff. Like I got little pearls in here. Look at this little, oh my god, it's so cute. Little skull. I love skulls. So, yeah, I even have some that like dangle down off your nail. Look at those. Strawberry shortcake. People get those like in the summer. Yes. So I just wanted to show this, but the main thing, my Kiera Sky. I love it. I love it. I swear to God, I love it. Oh my God, it's the best. It is the best. Bam! Look at that. Good decoration. For real, that's the last one. That's why your Instagram, you know, that 1 minute bullshit is so stupid. These are all the type of different nails I have. They're really extra long. Those are long coffin. Long, but it's a lady that I talked to. Someone told her about that I do nails and she does long nails. So look what I went and got her when she comes. Oh my God, these things are so huge. I grabbed a couple packs. I don't know if she's gonna wear them that long, but I could always cut them. Those things are so, I'm gonna have so much fun doing them. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have a field day. You can do a lot with long nails. Like, really, really a lot. That would be it. Everyone enjoy your day. I'm about to get busy, do what I do. I love, oh, that's my little pillow. Yeah, the little pillow, when they take their pictures and stuff. So, and sometimes I'll be rushing. I don't even take pictures half of the time. I'll be rushing, you know, the next client about to come, then I gotta clean all my stuff before they come. But I do take them. I just forget to post them half of the time. So, yeah, I just got that from Walmart. Yeah. And I'm gonna go get myself together. Put on some clothes. Oh my God, look at her. I love her. I love her. Bam! I'm so petty. And I got a good collection going on to do nails on. You feel me? But look at her. Oh, I love her. Oh, I love her. And I'm like, I got the Kiera Sky right there. Look at that. Look at that. I said I was going to get it. Believe me. So, these are it. They're every color. Well, not every color, but... And I love it because it has different little things in it. All type of iridescents. Yeah. I'm feeling it. I love to pick stuff out, different stuff for my clients. I mean, okay. Now I'm going to show you something. Okay. Like this one. You see all the stuff they have in there? It's really, really gorgeous. Look at that. Yes, baby. Oh, I didn't think I told you. They have, okay, these up here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 at the top has black caviar beads in there. The other ones have white caviar beads. So I guess you put the caviar, well, you put the stones, and then, or the little gold things on there, and then you sprinkle the caviar beads. I think that's gonna be gorgeous on something. I think I'm ready to use it. For real. I'm so ready. I'm gonna take these nails off. I have them to just do a new set. Because I had these on for like 2 months and just changing them. So I do need a new set. I think they're nice. I think they have a 6. They came in the pack. So yeah, I can't wait to use